Yeah, today's topic is subnetting. So let's just walk through on this. So in subnetting, if you take an IP address, so the IPv4 address is it uses 32-bit address. Okay. So here we can see we have 32-bit address. Okay. So here we have 32-bit address. Okay. If we take an example of an IP, so this 32 be addressed divided by four parts. Okay, so we can say octet. So this is one octet, this is one octet, this is one octet, and this is one octet. It's a four octet. So divided by four octet. Okay, so here we can see. So one octet divided one octet, then this is second octet, this is third octet, then this is fourth octet. Okay, it uses dot to separate that octet. Okay, so then if I take 32, so this is CIDR, we call it CIDR, CIDR. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 32 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 8 + 8 + 8 ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 32 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಪವರ್ 0, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ನಾವು 2ನೇ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಪವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಪವರ್ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 0, ಸಾರಿ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 32 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, 0. ಸೊ ನಾನು 0 ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪವರ್ 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನನ್ಗೆ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು IP, ಸೊ IP ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ 2 IPs ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 IPs ಮೈನಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿತು -1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ -1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸಬಲ್ IP-ನೇ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆ 1 IP ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸೇ 31, ಸೊ 31 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 31 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದು 1 ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್. ಸೊ 2 ಪವರ್ 1 ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 - 2 ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ 0 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸಬಲ್ IP 0 ಇದೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 IPs ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು IP, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 0 ಯೂಸಬಲ್ IP, ಸೊ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎನಿ IP ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ CIDR 31. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ 30. ಸೊ 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 30 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. ಓಕೆ, 30 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, 2 ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ I have 2 hosts. So 2 to power 2, then I will get 4 here. Okay, -2. So network and broadcast. So I have 2 IPs here. Now I can use 2 IPs. Okay, so I have 2 IP address usable. So that I'll show it in here. So slash. So this is my network, and I'm using 30. Calculate it. Okay, let's calculate it. It's taking a bit of time. Let's see. Network is not much good, I guess. Okay, yeah. So here I can, no, it's loading. So site is not reachable because of just internet connectivity, I guess. Subnet calculator. Slow. Why? We test. Subnet speed. Okay, so let's verify /30. So here 192.168.1.0, so /30. Let's calculate it. Yeah, so here I can see 0 is our network, then 1 and 2 are usable IPs, then 3 is broadcast IP. Okay, so let's verify for 29/29. So I have 3 hosts now. So let's make it 3 here. Then I have total 8 IPs minus 2. Then I have total 6 usable IP. Let's calculate it here in the subnet calculator. So if I calculate 29, it will be okay. So again, my internet got slow. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, it's back to online. Here we can see /0 is network, then 7 is broadcast address, then I have 1 to 6 usable IPs. Okay, so yeah, so this is the calculation. So if we take here 24, then we have 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 8, this one host. So we have to make it 8 here, 2 raised to 8. I think 250 something. Let's take a count here, 2 raised to 8. Let's calculate here. 24. Calculate. I guess 256. If I'm not, 256 minus 2. So total, I have 255 piece. Okay. If I say /24, because only 24 is network bit. Okay. So remaining are host bit. So 2 raised to 8, 256. Let's see. Here it is working. No, still it's browsing. It can't reachable. Again, it's got disconnected from the network. Disconnect and reconnected. Disconnected, reconnect. Okay, /24. Yeah, here we can see from 1 to 254. I have usable IPs. Okay, total 256. Okay, so let's go to the word. So let's say example ISP. So ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಐ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಇಂದ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸು, ಸೊ /30 ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಐ ಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು 192.168.1.100/30 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ /30 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ 2 ಇದಾವೆ, 2/2 ಟೋಟಲ್ 4 ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. 2/2 ಟೋಟಲ್ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 2 IPs ಯೂಸಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ 101 and 102. Okay, so here broadcast address will be 103. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 2 IPs ಇದಾವು. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 102 ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ ರೌಟರ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 101 ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದು ISP ರೌಟರ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ISP ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಯೂಸಬಲ್ IP ನಮ್ಗೆ 1 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ 2 ಯೂಸಬಲ್ IP, ಒಂದು ISP ರೌಟರ್ಗೆ, ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ರೌಟರ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ 2 IP ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, /30. ದೆನ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ 2. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ IPs. ಸೊ ರಿಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ /24 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ 256 IPs ಇದಾವೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ -2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದಾವಂದ್ರ ಸೊ ಯೂಸೇಬಲ್ IPs 1 ಇಂದ 254 ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ 3 ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅವರು ಪೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 to 254 ಇದಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ABC ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು IP ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1.0 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ /30 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ 2 ಯೂಸಬಲ್ IP ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ 1 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1.1 ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವರು ISP ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೌಟರ್ಗೆ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೆ ABC ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು IP ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ 1.2. ಸೊ 1.3 ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1.2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 192.168.1.0 and 192.168.1.3 ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯೂಸೇಬಲ್ IP ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ರೌಟರ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ರೌಟರ್ಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಈ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ರೌಟರ್ಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ. ದಿಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಉಳಿತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇಂದ 254 ಉಳಿತು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 0 1 2 3 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ 4 ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿತು. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ 4 ಇಂದ ಉಳಿತು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, BCA ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ 4 ಇಂದ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ /4 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ 32 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ 2 IPs ಇದಾವೆ. 4 ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 and 6 ಯೂಸೇಬಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು, 7 ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಓಕೆ. 7 ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ISP ಹತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಉಳಿತು IP 8 ಇಂದ 254 ಉಳಿತು. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, BBT ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ 8/30 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಯೂಸಬಲ್ IPs 2 ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1.8 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 8 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು, 9 IP ಯೂಸಬಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ದೆನ್ 10 IP 168, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 10 IP ಅವರಿಗೆ ಯೂಸೇಬಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 1.4 then 1.7 here 1.8 ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ದೆನ್ 1.11 ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಇಂದ 254 IPs ಉಳಿತು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವರು, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ 18 ಇಂದ 254 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರ ಅವರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಪೂಲ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪೂಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 29 ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 6 IPs ಯೂಸಬಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ /29 ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. So if I say /29, right? So then here the total IP will be 8 minus 2. So they have 6 IPs. Okay, 6 IPs. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many it will become? So from 8, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So till 15 they have IP address. Okay, till 15. From 8 to till 15 they have IP address -2. Then here they have 9 to till 14 IPs. 14 IPs. So they have 6 IPs, free IPs. So they can use this 9 for ISP router, ISP provider router or MUX. Then 10 IP they can use their router, and they can build a LAN network. So and other IPs they can use for other purpose. Okay. So but basically the IPs the customers use only two IPs. That's good enough because so one will be for customer router and one will be for ISP router. That is good enough for one company. Okay. So this is the concept. So let's move to the firewall. So let's verify the traffic. So last time I've configured the 4.1 switch. I configured this HSRP, but it won't came up. So because so I miss there. So I miss SVI configuration over there. Okay. So now you can see I configured the IPs. So this is my core switch 2. That means this is my main active router. So here I have priority, highest priority 150, and here I have lowest priority 140. Okay. So that means this is standby router. That means this VLANs belongs to standby. So this VLANs belongs to standby. Let's say example, this two I mentioned, right? This is 20 VLAN 20. So this is VLAN 20. VLAN 20, the router core, the core switch 2 will be active and the core switch 1 will be standby. Okay, so let me show the config. So the SVI config, which I done it. So enable. Yes, let's verify here. So IP interface brief. Show IP interface brief. So here we can see. So the here we have SVI IP address 10. So I'll end with 10. So the network will be different for each VLAN, 20 VLAN, 30 VLAN, 40 VLAN, 50 VLAN. So each network. So here also I configured the SVIs. So I configured IP address for all VLANs. Okay. Before that, so in the last video, I didn't configure the SVI. So that's why the HSRP didn't came up. So because of that, so I saw that only the HSRP in initial state. Okay, so the HSRP doesn't forward the packets or exchange the packets. Okay, when I configured this and I reconfigured the HSRP, so you can see the configuration, then it came up. So let me show the config, the HSRP standby and active. Show standby, show standby. Okay, so here we can see for each VLAN. Okay, so let's say VLAN 20. Now this is standby. For VLAN 20, this switch is active. So core switch 2 is active, core switch 1 is active. For each VLAN, the same I mentioned because the core switch 1 is having lowest priority. Okay, so here we can see this is yeah, VLAN 50, we can see this is active. VLAN 50, we can see this is standby. Okay, so, all right. So let's verify the traffic, how it is going. So come to the point. So let's initiate. Let's verify the traffic first. Access switch 1. From VPC 2, I'm initiating the traffic towards this firewall. Okay, let's verify because this is standby and this is active. The traffic should go by this way. Okay, so enable. So interface GI 0/3 include rate. Okay, let's verify the traffic on this interface. GI 0/3. So interface rate you can see here, it's showing 0, output and input. So output means when I initiate traffic from this switch towards this, right, it will be output. Okay, so I'm initiating traffic source to this destination. So when I'm getting the traffic from here to here, then it will be input. Okay. So let's verify here. It's done. So let's verify on this interface. 0/0, 0/0. There is I can see some input traffic from this interface, but output traffic is not there. So you can see here output traffic is 0. So let's verify another interface. 0/1. So this one interface. So here also I can see some input traffic is there, but output traffic is not there. So input traffic is main. So it might be from VTP, okay, or some DSCP, okay, because I have configured DSCP here, right? So that might be the uh, traffic, okay. So let's done here. So let's verify core switch 1 and core switch 2, okay. So let's go to the core switch 1 and verify the traffic. Show interface GI0/1. Okay. Include rate. Okay. So here I can see some output traffic because it's 2000. Okay. But I guess it's stable. Yeah, it's stable. Yeah, okay. This is stable. So this switch is initiating the traffic. No, it is changing. The traffic is, yeah, traffic movement is there. That's why it's changing the output traffic. Okay. From here, I can see the switch is uh, in like exchanging the packets or something. Okay. Traffic. So let's verify this side. /1/3. Let's verify 3. There is no traffic. 3. Then let's verify 2. 2. There is a traffic. Then let's verify for 1/1. 1/1. There is a traffic. 1/1. There is a traffic. 1/3. There is a traffic. So then 1/0. There is a traffic. Only this 1/2 doesn't have the traffic. Okay. So, okay, let's, all right. You can compare this letter. Output traffic is there. Okay. So only I can see output traffic here. Okay. So let's verify core switch 2. Sorry. Core switch 2. So interface GI0/2. This interface. Let's verify this interface first. Include rate to. So this interface output traffic is 2000. 2000. Okay. Then let's verify this side. Same commands I can use from another switch. So here already I use, right? 0/1 is not required. Oh, this is core switch 1, right? 1/1/1/1/2 for 1/. So already I verified for below interface. 1/, right? Sorry. Let me Prepare Excel for these interface. Let me verify those. Let me use command prompt phrase. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1/0, then 1/1/1/0, 1, 3. Okay, let's initiate these commands to core switch 1 and 2. Okay, then 2 also same. Let's verify. Only output rate is there, input is not there. Only output is there. So, and this input is there. So in core switch 2, I can see input traffic is there, input traffic is there, input traffic is there. Okay. In core switch, output traffic is there. In access switch 1, where is that access switch 1? Access switch 1. Access switch 1, GIS 0/0 and 0/1. 0/0, input traffic is there, input traffic is there. So here input traffic coming from above. Okay. Then core switch 1, output traffic is there. Okay. This is forwarding to this word, output traffic. Core switch 2, is having input traffic. So this is listening from this side. Okay. So let's initiate the traffic and verify. PC2, let's ping, continuous ping. Okay, 2/1. Now let's go to the access switch 1, this switch. Let's verify this interface. +3. Yeah, I can see both traffic. Previously, it was only input traffic. Okay, so now I can see both. There was 0. Okay, so now I can see both traffic. Yeah, it's increasing. 2000 output is increasing. Again, stable. Yeah, traffic is forwarding. Packet, 2 packet, 1 packet, 2 packet. Yeah, traffic is there towards this 1000. Then let's verify with this GI 0/0, GI 0/0 4000. Yeah, input is coming. It's going to that way. Okay. 1/0/1, there is no packets. There is no packet. The traffic is going through this way. Let's go to the access switch 1. Let's verify this interface GI 0/0/1, this one. Okay, so yeah, I can see the traffic is there. Can see traffic is there, 4000. So let's go to the core switch. This one, this interface. Let's verify this interface. GI 0/2. Your input traffic is not there, so traffic is going through this, not this side. Okay. So let's minify the core switch. Then let's verify here how it's going. Let's use this commands. Okay, core switch 1. Run these commands. Okay, so yeah, so from here, how traffic is going? Let's do it from VPC to VPC to traffic is going through GI 0/3, then GI 0/ how it's going GI 0/3, then GI 0/0, 0/0, then it's reaching to GI 0/1, GI 0/1, then it's reaching to where? From here, it's reaching to core switch 1, there is the 4000, GI 1/0. Then one more time, let's confirm. One more time, let's confirm. Yeah, 3000. 3000, 3000, 3000. Okay, so I think it's going through 1/0. Let's make a note and let's verify later. Let's verify the spanning tree. GI 1/0. Okay, so then same, let's verify here. Core switch 2, core switch 2. Okay, copy. Then by here, how is coming? 1/0, 3000, 1000, 2000, 2000, now 0, it's showing 0. Okay, 3000, 2000, 000. Yeah, here I can see the packets. Yeah, let's verify the spanning tree from switch. Okay, so it's reaching 1/0, right? So ending with 1/0, ending with GI 1/0. This is how reaching the traffic towards core switch 1, core switch 2. Okay. So let's verify the things. Access switch 1, show spanning tree. Spanning tree, let's see the root port for VLAN 20. So I'm initiating the traffic from VLAN 20. Okay, VLAN 1 for VLAN 20, which is the root port. Yeah, so for VLAN 20, root port is GI 0/0. This one, it's correct. VLAN 20, then let's go to core switch 1. Core switch 1, show spanning tree. Let's verify VLAN 20 or here, which is the root port. So here, which is the root port, VLAN 20. It should be GI 1/0. Let's verify VLAN 20. VLAN 20 root port. VLAN 20. So here I can see the all are designated ports. So it's not showing the root port here. GI 1/0, but the traffic is going through this interface. So we'll do one thing. We'll do ether channel and verify it. Okay, that we can do. Let's minimize it. So then let's verify core switch 2 just to show spanning tree for VLAN 20. For VLAN 1, GI 1/0 is report. Okay, 1/0 is report. For VLAN 20, let's verify. Yes, here we can confirm. So this port is root port. Okay. So this is 1/0 is root port. So our traffic is coming from this PC, right? Traffic is coming from VPC V2. So it's coming to this interface, then coming to this interface. It's going through this interface, then it's reaching core switch, then it is going GI 1/0 because this is the root port. It's reaching to this core switch and it's reaching to this towards this. Okay. Yeah. So this is how traffic is flowing. Okay. So control C. Okay. Let's mean priority number changes. Okay. Config terminal. Switch. Let's configure each channel over there. Interface range EI 1/0-3. Okay. Which port? Which port? No, not. Already those are run. And so let's configure each channel. Channel group question mark. Channel group 1 question mark. Mode question mark. Let's say active question mark. Enter. Okay. Channel group more active. So creating a port channel. So port channel is created. Interface up down. 8 to down. Okay. So but the port channel is still down. Okay. So left end. So let's configure the same in this one. Both side, let's say active. So switch one as well. Here some logs I received 50, 40, 20 run by to active. Okay. So see here, when I configured the port channel right here, then it's went to shutdown. So now these are the active VLANs now. Now this is active router. We can say it's active router. So let's configure here and let's verify whether this will become standby or not. Config terminal. Then now it's speaking mode. Okay, so let's just configure this ether channel over there. Channel group active. Let's configure here also. Sorry. Let's do. So now it's came to standby. So yeah, currently remote port. The ports are came up, then that's why it's come to normal. Enter. Then use this channel group command. Enter. Okay, so port channel is created. So Yendu. Let's verify now. It's showing suspended. Okay. I received a log. So IP interface brief. Let's verify the interface status, whether it is up or not. Yeah, all looks good. Port channel also up. Okay. So let's show IP interface brief. Here also let's verify it. Yeah, this is also up. Let's verify our standby. So standby, show standby. Yeah, VLAN 20 is now switch mode. This is active. This is, yeah, it came back to active and standby. Okay, let's assign the IP address to this port channel, config terminal, interface PO1, interface PO1, uh, port now IP address. What IP address can I assign? This range IP address, okay. 10.1.6 dot, let's say, uh, 1, let's leave it 10 and 11. Let's say 10 and 11. 255.255.255.0. It's showing IP address. Command, wrong command. So it's no taking no switch port. Okay. Now let's try IP address. Change state to down IP address, enter port channel, state down. Okay. IP address. Let's do just copy paste here. So where is that command? IP, let's assign the IP address. IP address is assigned. Okay. Shut and no shut. Let's do shut no shut. Better. So assign the IP address. Show IP interface brief. Let's verify that. So let's assign here also. Interface PO1 config terminal. So PO1 IP is assigned and it's manual. You can see it's manually down. So all the interface are still down. Okay, let's make it up. Let's verify. Let's configure it here and let's see. Interface PO1 switch port, then no switch port, then let's assign the IP address. IP address 10.1.6.11.255.255.255.0. So here I entered it, but log is generated, so that's why I'm not able to see the IP address. In between, you can see here 110 dot I assigned IP address, then subnet node, so everything I assigned here. You can see. Let's verify it. Show IP interface brief. Okay, let's verify. So all are shut down. Let's verify here also. So all are shut down. All interfaces are shut down. You can see here all interfaces are shut down. Let's make it shut no shut for all the interface. Okay, so I prepare this one gi1/1 this one, right? So let's prepare a command here and let's run it. Interface gi1/0 to 1, right? Copy, paste, paste, paste. 1, no, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's say shut and no shut. Then exit. Same for all the interface. Paste it, paste it, paste it. Okay, just do copy For PO also. Interface PO1 enter same for PO also. Okay. Copy. So I'm copying this command and I'm running here. Okay. On to terminal. Yes, I'm running here. Let's see. Both switches I'm running this command because same ports are right. So let's run this command. Shut no shut. Let's verify whether it will come up or not. So IP interface brief. Show IP interface brief. And show IP interface brief. Okay, so I can see, but the port channel is not came up. So remaining all interface came up, but port channel is not came up. Okay, why? Let's verify it. Config terminal. Show running interface port 1. Do show running interface PO1. Okay. No switchboard IP address assigned. Okay. Interface PO1. No. Let's do shut. No shut. Let's verify. You or not. I don't know. Let's try it. Terminal. Do show interface PO1 status. Not connected. Routed. It's showing not connected. Okay. Interface PO1 shut. No shut. Okay. Exit. Do show status not connected. So here also not connected. Show IP interface brief. Do show IP interface brief. Still it's down. What channel is down? Okay, still this port channel is not coming up. So let's do troubleshooting in next video. That will continue from there itself. Okay. Okay. Then thank you. Bye.